Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. So this one is just for presentations, as you all know, or if you don't know, you get to know it from right now on that Microsoft PowerPoint is majorly for presentations, and then it really helps a lot to ease learning. So let's dive into it and we take a look and see how you can master it from a beginner to a pro. So I'm going to be using a document which is already typed or which is already saved, so that I save time without like so I don't waste time typing a lot. So I'm going to be taking you through a quick review through the tabs and all that. So as you can see in the home tab here, we can paste, cut, do a lot of things, the paragraphing, the font. So this one is majorly common with all the Microsoft applications. As you can see, the home tab is almost the same, and we come to the insert. So this one is kind of different from others like Microsoft Word or Excel, because PowerPoint use slides, unlike in Excel where we use sheets, and then Microsoft Word where we use pages. So here we use slides. So when you come to insert, you can enter your new slide from here, and there are very many different types of slides. We have the title slide, title and content, section header. So depending on what your presentation is going to be about, or how you want your presentation to look like, this now depends on it. You come and choose the slide type which you want to use from here. So now from the document I've opened, as you can see, my first slide is a title slide which has just the title and then the name of the author, and then the second slide will now be having like the title and content. Now there you can have, like, as you can see from here, we have categories, and then down here we have the content, the categories of the computer software. So as you can see, so I'm going to be taking you through few things here, how you can make a presentation using PowerPoint. So now let's dive into it. Since I already have my document here, I won't waste a lot of time doing other things. So we can come here to the design. You can design our slides. You can select different types of layouts, themes, depending on what you want. Just choose one. So for this, I'm going to be taking this. I'll just choose this, and then it will apply to all my slides. And this saves time. So as you can see, it looks neat and everything. Then when you're done with the themes, you can come and select your transition. Now transition, this is now how your slides will move in and out. So this one really affects the movement of the slides. And then with animations, it's the opposite. Animations affects the motion of the text or what's in the slide. So let's select our transition which we really want. So let me say this reveal, and then I'll come and apply it to all slides. So we are now selected all slides are applied to the same type of transition. So we can, this one is entering in, then there are very many options here. As you can see, you just choose how you want your slide to enter, how to behave when it's in play, and then how to exit. So you can try all that later on, but to make this video short, I wouldn't like to do a lot of stuff, make the video long. So that is it for that. And then let's go into our transitions. We see how to use them. So with the animations. So when you come to animations, as you can see here, they're all gray because I've not yet selected the text that I want to apply it to. So once you're selected like this, now they really become visible, and you can click on them and then it works. So I'm going to select the fading, so I'll apply this to all, and you can also check the timing. So the timing here on click, the duration, you can check all this. So let me apply it. To all my slides. So now, since we are done with this, we can now go into our slideshow, and then you see, or we can go to the preview. So once we come here in the slideshow, you can start from the beginning or from the current slide. Depends on how your PowerPoint presentation to be. But then I'm going to show you how to do it using or readjust the timing, like set your own timing how you want it to play. So as you can see, this one will always be on mouse click. So every time I click the mouse, so I'll be timing it depending on how I want it to take long. So we're into the next slide. So as you're seeing, the timing. So the total time for the slideshow would be 39 seconds based on my rehearsal for the timing that I've been doing. So you can come here and then click on from beginning, and then you see, so here it will now play until the end. So without any mouse click, so the timing will be from the one you've used in the rehearsal. So just saying, so you can easily become a pro using PowerPoint presentation just by watching this video, and then you really make good presentations. So if you really found this video useful, make sure you subscribe and then turn on the notification so that you don't miss any of my new videos that I'll be dropping here. So thank you for watching.